I have this yarn. I'm just trying to use the yarn in my stash, but it's really thin. I already showed this in my video, so I'm going to do the same. So I'm going to do this 3-ply. Okay, to do 3-ply, I don't want to do much work as I have a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab the end of the yarn, and then I'm going to make like a knot, not like this, just a knot like this, something like this. Okay, and this is going to be my tail. So what I'm going to do is I am already working on a project, and so what I do is I chain. Okay, just like this. I chain, and then I create this. Can you see the 3-strand? It's right there. It's right there. Sorry about that. And then I'm going to pull this as I go, just like this, like chaining. If you want to use up the yarn, if you want to donate it, you can donate it. But I want to use it up. I already donated so much yarn. I need to use this. Well, I'm going to be knitting a scarf for donation, so I wanted to use up this beautiful color. It's acrylic yarn. Okay, and I need to make this like a 4-weight, and this is the best way to make this. This is not even a 4-weight. This yarn is way thinner than the yarn I'm working with. So it's like a heavy 3-weight, I would say. And the needle, the knitting needle I am using for this pattern is going to be a 5mm. So I want it nice and loosely, nice and soft. So I'm going to start casting on, but I need some tail. Okay, to do that, I think this is enough. Yeah, so I'm going to cast on a couple of, when you're crocheting, this is way easy. So I don't know how many stitches I would need, let's say, and then you just cast on and you can cut the end and weave it, so nothing to worry about. So for a scarf, I need at least 6 inches wide, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm not counting any chains. I just need to cast on 6 inches wide. Just like this. See, it's just fantastic. Okay, so I have cast on, and I'm going to start knitting, but I don't have enough yarn. So what I do is I start doing my chain. So I pull this from here, just like this, and I pull it as long as I need, and then I repeat this over and over. And then this is how I knit. I get this 3-ply. So I just wanted to share this before I start my tutorial on how to knit this stitch, which is going to be next, so stay tuned. So you just knit like regular knitting, nothing different. Just let me show you. Let me just show you by knitting. So you just knit, just like regular yarn, nothing different. Just like this. See? It's no different at all. While you're knitting, what you can do is you can kind of not draft, but the word is you can twist it like this so it won't split. I usually do this on my spinning needle, but my spinning Ashford spinning wheel. But too much work to pull it out from where it is right now. And so I just wanted to show you the easiest way you can use up those thin yarns that you have. Like, I ordered these online and I never paid attention how thin the yarn were. But yeah, when it arrived, I noticed they're very thin and I cannot work with thin yarn. And so just give you this idea and how you can knit it up. The yarn itself is just beautiful. It's just the only problem being so thin. So I hope you liked this video. Stay tuned for the new tutorial that's going to be coming up next. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. It can be anything. It can be shorts, cooking, knitting, crocheting, punch and needle, anything that I come up with. You guys take care. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, happy crafting. Bye-bye.